Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Supralite vacuum bags is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Riccar vacuum cleaner. These bags are designed to capture dust, dirt, and allergens, ensuring your home stays clean and your air quality remains high. They are easy to install and replace, making maintenance a breeze. In this video, we'll dive deep into why these bags are a must-have for any Riccar Supralite owner. Number 5. EnviroCare Vacuum Dust Bags for Riccar and Simplicity. These EnviroCare replacement bags are designed to fit your vacuum cleaner. They provide excellent filtration, ensuring a cleaner home environment. This pack includes 6 bags for your convenience. This product is compatible with a wide range of vacuum models. It fits Simplicity Freedom models and Riccar Supralite models. Check the list to see if it's the right fit for you. The bags feature an electrostatically charged microfiltration liner. This advanced technology captures 99.7% of dust and allergens. You can breathe easier knowing it's working. These bags are proudly designed and developed in the USA. They are manufactured by EnviroCare, a family-owned American business. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product. EnviroCare is a global leader in premium aftermarket vacuum bags. This product offers superior performance and value. It's a smart choice for maintaining your vacuum cleaner. What we like. These bags feature microfiltration, capturing tiny particles. With 99.7% filtration, they ensure cleaner air in your home. If you are looking for a reliable and effective solution for everyday cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked well and fit as expected. Good product. Bags fit into vacuum great. Work as they should. Fit vacuum perfectly. We'll order more soon. Number 4. EnviroCare HEPA Vacuum Bags for Riccar Supralite and Simplicity. These EnviroCare replacement bags are designed to fit your Riccar Supralite and Simplicity Freedom vacuums. They are a perfect fit and will help keep your home clean. Specifically engineered to fit Riccar Supralite and Simplicity Freedom upright vacuums with a green bag holder. This ensures a secure and effective fit. The HEPA filtration system captures dust, allergens, and other particles. This helps improve the air quality in your home, making it healthier for you and your family. The bags are easy to install and replace. Simply remove the old bag and insert the new one. It's a quick and hassle-free process. Each pack contains 6 replacement bags, providing you with a supply. This ensures you have replacements on hand when you need them. What we like. These bags offer HEPA filtration, ideal for allergy sufferers. They are designed to fit specific Riccar and Simplicity models. If you have pets or allergies, this is a great choice to trap dust and allergens. What people say. Compared side by side, they were the same size, shape, etc. These bags seem a little thicker, which I take to mean they are a better filtration quality. Fits the vacuum perfectly. The quality is good and they fit inside my vacuum cleaner. Number 3. Casa Vacuums Replacement Bags for Riccar and Simplicity. These replacement bags are designed for your Riccar and Simplicity vacuum cleaners. They are a perfect fit for several models, ensuring optimal performance. These bags are compatible with Riccar Supralite R10S, R10D, R10P, and R10 SAN models. They also fit Simplicity Freedom S10 CV.10, S10S, S10D, S10P, and S10 SAN vacuums. The Riccar bags are equivalent to part number RLH6, and the Simplicity bags match SLH6. Make sure these numbers match your current bags for a perfect fit. These bags are designed to capture dust and debris effectively. They help maintain your vacuum's performance, ensuring your floors stay clean. Please note that these bags are not compatible with certain Riccar and Simplicity models. Check the product description to ensure it fits your specific vacuum cleaner. These replacement bags are designed and engineered by Casa Vacuums in the USA. You can trust the quality and performance of these bags. What we like. These bags are designed to fit specific Riccar Supralite models. They are designed and engineered in the USA. If you have a compatible model and want reliable performance, consider this option. What people say. This thick disposable bag snaps snugly into the upright vacuum, virtually eliminating leakage of dust and allergens. It is large enough to reduce the frequency I have to change the bag. AMD makes the bags a great value for the money. I works real well and the bags hold a lot of dirt. Number 2. Riccar HEPA Filtration Bags. These HEPA filtration bags are designed to fit most Riccar Vibrance, R Series, 2000 Series, R20E and R20E Series vacuums. It is a genuine Riccar part, ensuring optimal performance and filtration. This bag is compatible with a wide range of Riccar vacuum models. It's easy to install and provides excellent filtration, capturing dust and allergens. The HEPA filtration system helps to trap dust, pollen, and other particles. This helps to improve the air quality in your home and keep your vacuum running efficiently. This is a genuine Riccar part, ensuring the best fit and performance. Using genuine parts helps to maintain your vacuum's warranty and extend its lifespan. The part number is RH6, and the package contains 6 bags. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to keep your vacuum clean and running smoothly. What we like? These are genuine Riccar HEPA filtration bags. They fit most Vibrance, R Series, and 2000 Series vacuums. If you want to ensure the best performance and compatibility with your Riccar vacuum, you should consider this. What people say? The bags fit perfectly and were easy to install. The vacuum bags are a perfect fit for my Riccar vacuum cleaner. These bags work great and are a good value. Number 1. Riccar Supralite HEPA Vacuum Bags, RLH6. These are genuine HEPA media bags designed for specific Riccar Supralite vacuum models. They are made with thick, heavy-duty materials to ensure durability and effective filtration. This product helps to keep your home clean. Each bag features a self-sealing green collar. This design allows for clean and easy disposal. When you remove it, the collar slides closed automatically. Each package contains 6 bags, providing you with a sufficient supply. This ensures you have replacements on hand when needed. It's a convenient and practical purchase. These bags fit several Supralite models, including R10 series. It also compatible with Simplicity models. Please check the details to ensure it fits your vacuum. The self-sealing feature makes disposal simple and mess-free. You can easily remove and replace the bag without dust escaping. This design enhances the overall user experience. What we like? These bags use genuine HEPA media for superior filtration. They come with a self-sealing green collar for clean disposal. If you value convenience and effective filtration, you should consider this. What people say? The bags fit perfectly. The bags are easy to install. The bags are a great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.